The Clan Weir, like many other Scottish clans, has Norman roots. The name Weir is believed to have originated from the Norman word vere, which traces back to the same Norse root as the Old English term weir, meaning dam. This hints at an early connection to water-related activities such as dam construction, which might have influenced the clan's history and settlements. One of the early figures associated with Clan Weir is Ralph de Vere. In 1174, he was captured alongside King William the Lion at Alnwick in Northumberland. Ralph de Vere witnessed a charter of his king's lands in the bishopric of Moray sometime between 1174 and 1184, indicating his loyalty and service to the Scottish crown. The Weirs of Blackwood in Lanarkshire are often considered the principal family of Clan Weir. They claim descent from Ralph de Vere, though they did not come into possession of their lands until around 1400. This suggests that the Weirs of Blackwood had deep roots in the area, eventually rising to prominence over the centuries. Throughout Scottish history, individuals with the surname Weir have made notable appearances. Richard Weir, recorded in the Ragman Roll in 1296, rendered homage to Edward I of England. Thomas le Weir, in the same year, saw the restoration of certain forfeited lands by order of the Sheriff of Edinburgh. One of the most intriguing figures associated with Clan Weir is Major Thomas Weir. In the late 17th century, he served as the captain of the Edinburgh Town Guard. He played a prominent role in escorting the Marquis of Montrose, a notable Scottish noble, through the Royal Mile. This event drew crowds and etched Major Weir's name into the annals of history. Major Thomas Weir's story took a bizarre turn in 1670. During one of his prayer meetings, he confessed to committing adultery and even indulging in incest with his own sister. This revelation shocked his followers, who initially refused to believe him. His sister, Jean, corroborated his confession, adding that the devil would transport her brother in a fiery coach drawn by 6 black horses. After his confession, Major Thomas Weir was sentenced to death and burned at the stake on April 11, 1670. His sister, Jean, met a similar fate, being hanged at the Grassmarket. The supernatural aspects of their stories did not end there. Local legends persisted, claiming that Major Weir's ghost could sometimes be seen riding about the West Bow on a headless horse before vanishing in a burst of flames.